Your make.com scenario is just sitting there, spinning, frozen, doing absolutely nothing. Before you delete the whole thing and start over, watch this. We're going to fix it in minutes. If you're a freelancer or small business owner running automations on make.com, you've probably hit this. A scenario that's gone quiet. No errors, no output, just nothing. Could be a loop, a timeout, a queue piling up behind the scenes. We're going to diagnose it properly, fix it safely, and then set it up so it never silently breaks on you again. First thing, don't touch anything yet. Head to the left sidebar and click Execution History. You'll see a list of recent runs. Look for any with a status of running or waiting. Those are your culprits. Click on one. It opens a full log. Each bubble represents a module. Click the bubble that's highlighted in orange or has a clock icon. That's where it's stalled. Check the Output tab inside that bubble. You're looking for an error code, a timeout message, or an empty bundle. Note down exactly which module it is and what the log says. That tells us everything. Right, now we can intervene. Go back to your scenario editor and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the scenario canvas. That's the Options menu. Click Stop Execution. Wait for the status to change to Stopped. Don't hit Run again yet. Now go to the left sidebar and click Incomplete Executions. Here's the bit people mess up. If you just delete these without reviewing them, you'll lose data. Instead, click each incomplete execution, check what bundle it was processing, then decide. Click Resolve to mark it done, or retry to reprocess it. Clear every item in that list before you move on. Now let's actually fix the problem. If you spotted an infinite loop, that's usually a trigger refiring the same data. Click the Trigger module, go to its Settings tab, and enable the Deduplicate Records toggle. If it was an API timeout, click the broken module, go to Advanced Settings, and increase the timeout field. Try 40 seconds. If you got an empty bundle error, click the module before the broken one and check its filter. There's likely a condition that's passing 0 records through. Fix the filter or add a fallback. Dead easy once you know where to look. This is the step most people skip and then wonder why their scenario breaks again. 2 weeks later, right-click any module that's likely to fail. Your API calls, your webhook modules, anything hitting a third-party service. From the context menu, select Add Error Handler. Choose the catch route. This creates a fallback path. Connect that fallback to a Gmail or Slack module and have it send you a message with the error details. In that notification module, map the error message field using the built-in error variable. Now, instead of freezing silently, your scenario tells you exactly what went wrong. Trust me, this saves hours. Here's an honest one. If your scenario is sticking because you're constantly hitting operation limits, you'll see quota exceeded in your logs, it's time to look at make.com's Core or Pro plan. Paid plans give you priority execution and way more operations per month, which stops the queue from jamming up on high-volume workflows. If you're pushing tens of thousands of operations daily and want full control, N8N is worth a serious look. It's self-hosted, no operation caps, and brilliant for power users. Links to both are in the description. Pick the right tool for the job. Grab the free make.com error troubleshooting checklist. Links in the description. It covers every fix we ran through today, so you've got it on hand next time. If this helped, smash the like button and subscribe. We drop weekly automation fixes every Tuesday. See you in the next one.